Bienvenue à la classe. This is Technique Tips with RMJ Studios, a virtual dance studio. Today, we'll go over another of our foot patterns, the Rond de Jambe. Rond de Jambe is, again, a French term, which means a rounding of the leg. So, let's get back into the studio. Now, Rond de Jambe is very similar to our en croix pattern, where we're moving through avant, à la seconde, and derrière. So, starting off in either first, third, or fifth position, take your tendu avant. Keeping this extension, rush your tendu across the floor until you get to an à la seconde. From here, brush that tendu to derrière and bring it to first to close. This is your Rond de Jambe en dehors. Now, of course, for Rond de Jambe en dedans, we'll take the opposite pattern. So starting in first, third, or fifth position, take your tendu derrière. From here, take a brush into à la seconde and then to avant. And finally, pull it back to first to close. And that's it for your Rond de Jambe, en dehors and en dedans. Easy, right? Now, this is your Rond de Jambe de terre, or on the ground, and we'll get into en l'air another time. For now, I'm Malone Jr., and this has been Technique Tips. Be sure to check out my full live online classes at rmjstudios.com for more.